Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Susanna Stallman. We interrupt your scheduled programming to bring you this breaking news report. In classrooms all around the world, an epidemic is spreading at unprecedented rates. Kids in communities as far removed as Bangalore, India, and Homestead, Florida have already been affected, and more students are being exposed every day. From what initial reports tell us, impacted populations show almost immediate changes to their creativity, self-worth, and social development, not just small changes either. What we're seeing here is truly radical transformation. The organization most responsible for the sudden spread of this influenza is the New York-based nonprofit Artists Striving to End Poverty, codename ASTEP. ASTEP volunteers, staff, partners, and supporters are single-handedly responsible for spreading the arts to almost 4,000 students just last year alone. And reporters embedded with ASTEP say they're just getting started.